My name is Carter Sirach, co-founder of AI Foundations, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make videos with Claude's new Claude Design. I'm going to show you how to make motion graphics like this, and I'm going to show you how to render these graphics using HyperFrames from HeyGen. Is it time to fire your video editor? Let's find out. Now this motion graphics thing is cute and it's a quality of life upgrade, but if you stick around until the end, I'll show you how I make fully automated videos like this one. Welcome back to AI Foundations. Here's what's moving in AI today, April 18th, 2026. First, Anthropic is quietly testing a frontier model called Claude Mythos using HyperFrames, HeyGen, and Claude Code. Now, all of those assets that you saw in the beginning of this video, like the lower thirds title, and the what we're covering card, all of this was created using Claude Design in a matter of minutes. And it even generated this transition here. So here's the prompt. I said, use motion graphics to create some assets in a single playable video with a green screen background. And this green screen background is key because it allows me to take this into an editing software, remove the background, and then use these assets instantly. I gave it the context of what my name is and what my role is. I told it to animate everything in and out, and I also told it to create this bullet list right here. Then I told it to do a wipe transition with some assets at the end of the green screen. Once it was done, it gave me this file that I could export. So I just hit export, and then I hit download project as zip. Now what I'll do is I'll open up Claude Code and I'll drag in that zip file, and we're gonna pass that zip file off to HyperFrames, which was created by HeyGen. It allows you to write HTML, render video, and it's built for agents. So I'll copy this repo, and then I just say, I want you to use HyperFrames skill from HeyGen. Open this video project up in HyperFrames format. Here's the HyperFrames skill, and I'm just going to paste in that repo that I copied earlier. And now we'll go ahead and send this. And then I just tell Claude to open it in preview, and it gave me this link here to follow. So I'm just going to click on it. It's going to open it up in HyperFrames, and then I can just hit play, and I can watch the video through, and I can see all of the assets that it used here. I can also see the code that it actually wrote to generate this video. And if I go back to compositions, I can click on the index and I can simply hit renders, and then I can hit export. And now I can actually download this video. And just like that, I can hit play and I can watch through my video. I can see the motion graphics, and then I can pass this off to my editing software to remove the background. In Premiere, it's pretty simple. I can just drag in a video of me, and then I can drag in the motion graphics file that it generated. And if I need to, I can scale up this motion graphics file a little bit. And then all you have to do is type in Ultra key. And this is actually the keying tool that I like to use for getting rid of that green background. Then you'll scroll down and select the green color. And now if I pan through here, you'll see that the motion graphics actually stay on the screen, but the green background is gone. And this is a huge quality of life improvement for any video editors or motion designers out there. But what if you wanted to actually automate the entire video editing process? Well, that's where you could use HeyGen. And they've just released HeyGen For Agents. So your agent can now build an avatar, write the script, and ship the video all in one conversation with Claude Code, Cursor, or any agent that loads skills. Now, once you sign into HeyGen, you can go to the avatar tab in the upper left-hand corner, and you can create an avatar here, but I've already created an avatar. So I actually have a few different ones that I've created here. And then once you have that avatar, you can go over to the HeyGen skills repo and you can copy the repo. Then I can go back over to Claude Code. I can paste in that repo, and it's going to be able to create an entire video for me right from Claude Code. So we're going to keep that there for a moment. But what I'm going to do next is click on local right here, and we're going to click into our environment settings right here. And then we're going to update the local environment with my HeyGen API key. So I'm just going to type in HeyGen_API equals, and then I'll head back over to HeyGen, and I can hover over this bottom left corner. I can go to developers, API dashboard, and then I can create a new API key, and I'll just call it Claude Code. And then I'll click on agent and create API key. Then I'll just copy this key and paste it in my local environment. Then I'll hit save changes. And you could get more creative with this prompt, but I just said utilize the HeyGen skill to make a video on the AI news for today that's about 1 minute long. Use the environment variable that I already added, and then I give it the key here, HeyGen_API, and I say use this avatar ID for the video and use this voice ID for the video. And those are going to come from HeyGen. So to get the avatar ID, I can just go back into HeyGen and I can hover the avatar that I created and just hit copy avatar look ID. You can also test out their public avatars here if you want to. And I couldn't find the exact voice ID, so I'm just telling it to use Carter Sirach Professional, which is the name of the voice, and it should be able to find that since it has the API key and it also has the avatar ID. Then I just break down the steps that it will go through here. So I say research the news for today, generate a script, add my lower thirds overlay from this zip file, and I'll be adding that zip file from earlier, remove the green screen. And then I say use the HyperFrame skill for editing if needed, and render, download, and open the video for my viewing. So now I've given it the zip file and I've given it the HyperFrames link. Let's just go ahead and send this off and see what kind of results we can get with this single prompt. So Claude went through and it completed that task for me end to end. Then it created this video. So let's take a look at what it created. Now this could probably use some improvement, but I want to show you what we can get with just a short amount of time put into this.
Welcome back to AI Foundations. Here's what's moving in AI today, April 18th, 2026. First, Anthropic is quietly testing.
So we see that it actually added that lower thirds title from earlier and it removed the green screen.
Tier model called Claude Mythos. Early benchmarks show 94% on GPQA Diamond and thousands of zero-day vulnerabilities found across every major operating system.
The news and the script are actually really well written, I think. Like you can tell, it actually pulled recent news with the Claude Mythos, and the script pacing has just gotten a lot better. It sounds like the script is actually like very natural and human.
Launch window Q2. Next, Model Context Protocol just crossed 97 million installs. What started as an experiment is now foundational infrastructure for AI agents. Meanwhile, hierarchical planning agents now hit a 92% task success rate across platforms. A leap.
Now, some of this looks a little bit off, but I would say that it looks pretty solid compared to the older AI avatars just like a year ago. Like I have my hand movements in here. They look pretty realistic. It's jump cutting from topic to topic. It's not just like doing these long pauses. I can tell that this is like a bit of a synthetic version of me though, and I think that's because it regenerated me in this new environment here. But if you use the source avatar, it always looks a lot better. So I might try that next time. If you want to join me for a weekly call and access all of our AI courses, you can check out AI Foundations using the link below. And if you want us to work with you to implement a system like the one that I showed you today for your company or for your team, then you can apply to work with us by using the Work With Us link below. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you don't miss any AI news or Claude updates. With that, I will see you in the next one.